That's 3. Measure milk. Measure milk.
Milk?
Mm.
Mommy, which one?
The big one.
Okay. Okay.
Salt. We're gonna need salt. It's not full. It's not full. You have to measure it full. Yes. Again. Aria, Richard, we can do it again next time when I don't have appointment. So everybody can do it. It's not full. You always have to make it full, but you can pour it in. You can pour it in.
And then a little more.
No. Full it again. Okay. And let's put a little more.
Because I was saying
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Then we're gonna put sugar. Do we still have brown sugar?
Brown
Or is our brown sugar
Mommy, I want to do that.
You just put sugar.
Let me do that. You can also open it and then pick one.
I mean, I don't have time for your opening and picking. Okay. That's enough. What should we add now? Eggs. Where's the egg? Emily here. Break it on this. That's what happens when I'm in a hurry. And then somebody starts arranging things very bad.
Das machst du. Ich hätte noch nie macht schon genug Eier.
Do it, Rita. Put it. Super. Thank you. Are you not supposed to clean that place that you messed up? Not you.
Mrs. Doppelte Spaghetti.
I think we should pick this too.
Because we can do 2.
So we can do faster.
Yeah. Okay, but why that one? Then we need to do some small ones. Try.
Is that okay?
Daddy, was sind da jetzt?
Was macht ihr gerade?
Crepes. This is fun food pan.
Crabs.
Crepes?
Crabs. Nays, you know. Richard have turned it into a huntress.
I have to Liam inside. Liam. Your heart, I am here by Liam. Wait a minute, family. 2 6 2.
Heaven, don't scrape it.
Pancake, 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 pancake. Mommy, but I want to do it. Mommy, this one is my pancake.
That is yours, pancake.
Ist denn noch gar nicht fertig? Wow.
Wow.
Can I have it?
I don't think the first one did justice. It's burnt.
Lieber
So let's see for the second one.
It's my round. Pancake, pancake. Wow, die dann ist so doof. So big. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Perfect.
Perfecto.
Okay, everybody can do
Perfecto. Mommy, you got that too.
Yes.
Give me. Ja, so time in the video.
I guess y'all should be ready.
No.
Wait, they should be ready.
That's bon.
It's not done.
No.
It's not.
Like and subscribe for the video. Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah. Now,
Trying crepes for the very first time, and we're
I
having.
think that is yummy.
I don't think we need
Mommy.
butter.
Okay. When is this getting ready? Mommy, I want to do it. I don't want to say yes. Yeah, this is.
Yeah, look at
Finally.
that. Finally. So leave it like that. Let's quickly get the strawberries ready.
We need to cut them. Mommy?
Uh-oh.
Yeah. What happened?
Take. It's too hot.
Is it?
So, should I add strawberry to it?
No.
No.
Mommy?
Okay.
It
Let me leave it and do the other one.
It is wrong.
Give me.
Guys, look what mommy is doing.
And it tastes so good. How did they fold it? I don't know how they fold it. There you go.
This one is for Aria.
Let me put it on a small plate for you.
Aria, come back.
Come here.
Mommy, I wanted to eat.
Take. You also want? Okay. Wait. Ashley!
Mommy, what's with the strawberries for Ashley? Strawberries for Ashley.
Oh, it's ready?
Crepes.
So fast?
Yes, so fast. Oh, yeah.
Oh.
I really have ready a lot to eat then.
Mm-hmm.
Yay!
Wait for this to be ready so you can have it.
Yeah. This
Now
side,
we lower it very well.
this one is no problemo.
No problem.
This side is no problemo. But the other side, problemo. We have a problemo.
Yeah, make it very, very thin. Like this. And then this one right here
Should be red.
should be. Yeah, thank you. A little bit.
A little bit more.
Mm-hmm.
I feel already 10,000.
Do you want to try this, Heavenly?
No, I'm doing this.
Oh, you're doing that. Okay. Okay, perfect. Oh,
Now, mommy.
wait.
It's
Hey,
heavy. Heavy.
Wait, Heavenly.
Yes, the strawberries.
The
That's what it
strawberries.
is.
The
Where's the
strawberries.
knife? Look at that. There you go.
Okay.
I'm already ready.
I can see you.
Ready
Hmm.
to eat it.
So should I put something for you?
Yes.
Or should I put something for you on this one? Which one?
No, small one.
On the small one? Do you want strawberry on it?
No.
Okay.
Because I don't like strawberry. Yummy.
One. Because they're small ones. So you need like 2 of it.
Yay, two. I'm getting the most. Mommy, I am done.
Do you want more?
No.
You have enough?
Ich kriege eins extra. 5. Weil die klein sind.
Mm-hmm.
What?
You don't want more?
No. What? I have one.
I'm making this for Daddy first. Give it to Daddy.
Was it you? No.
What? Wat had jij gemaakt? Aria, what did you do?
Nothing.
What did you do? Nothing.
No. Nothing. With two.
I know how Aria's talking like. This is for Vichy?
For you.
That one would be almost gone.
Take that, Ashley.
This meal.
It's a pleasure, Daddy.
That would be one you. No, a meal.
Take.
My new food.
Dad, do you want more?
Nee,
You don't want any more?
I have enough.
Okay. How was it with the strawberries?
Lecker.
Mommy, Mom.
What's the chocolate? What is
Huh?
what is that?
You forgot we bought it from Dr. Eka.
Ah.
Very delicious, right?
That.
Yes.
Mommy.
Chocolate?
No. I do not. Why not?
You don't want chocolate?
Yes.
Like that?
Yes.
Okay, I'll take it today.
Are you done with frying?
Yes, we're done.
We're done forever. We're done. Mommy, what's with you?
That's mine.
That. Mommy, I'm doing the chocolate. I'm putting the chocolate.
Like this? Oh, please.
Guten Tag.
Oops, look at that. Emily, you need to wash your mouth, okay? Your mouth is full of chocolate.
Mommy, look, I
Look at
like.
it. I thought you said you have enough.
I have enough.
Mommy,
Are you sure?
Mommy,
Yes.
Mommy, I like. Look, Mommy, I like.
Mm.
Where are you going?
Now, quickly eat this and then I'm off. Change up and I'm going. Mm. Mm.